Welcome back to the Lil'Whizkids channel. Today, we have a magical treat for you as we journey into the whimsical world of William Shakespeare's beloved play, A Midsummer Night's Dream. This enchanting story is filled with fairies, love, and a touch of mischief. So buckle up for a whirlwind adventure. Act 1. Confusion from a lover's dilemma. Our story begins in a magical forest where 4 young lovers named Hermia, Lysander, Demetrius, and Helena find themselves tangled in a web of love and confusion. Hermia wants to marry Lysander, but her father thinks she should marry Demetrius. Demetrius and Lysander are both in love with Hermia, but meanwhile, Helena pines for Demetrius. It's quite the tangled web of love. Act 2. Shenanigans in the Fairy Kingdom. Hidden in the same forest that the young lovers pursue each other, we meet the Fairy King and Queen. The king is Oberon, and the queen is Titania. They're having their own quarrel. The Fairy King Oberon has a mischievous plan to fix things. While the queen has a full entourage of fairies that care for her, Oberon only has one buddy named Puck, and he sends him to use a magical flower that can make people fall in love with the first thing they see. Act 3. Love Potion Hijinks. Puck finds Lysander and Demetrius asleep and uses the flower on them. But chaos ensues as they both turn their affection to Helena instead of Hermia when she is the first one they see. Oberon also uses it on Titania while she sleeps, and then changes an actor named Nick Bottom into a donkey, so when the queen wakes up, it is the first thing she sees and she falls madly in love with him. Act 4. The Fairy Mischief unravels. Oberon discovers the mistake and fixes the mess they've made, and the young lovers are back on track as 2 happy couples. Even Nick Bottom is turned back into a human. The Fairy King and Queen make amends, and harmony is restored to the Fairy Kingdom. Act 5. A play within a play and a happy ending. To celebrate all this love and laughter, Nick Bottom and the other actors perform a funny play within the play at the Duke's royal wedding. It's a hilarious way to wrap up our magical story. So there you have it, kids. A Midsummer Night's Dream is a delightful tale of love, magic, and laughter, where fairies and humans mix in a world of enchantment only found on a warm summer night in the forest. It shows that love can be crazy sometimes, but in the end, everything works out happily ever after. If you enjoyed this speedy summary of Shakespeare's beloved play, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun upcoming adventures and stories. Thanks for joining us today on Lil'Whizkids. Until next time, keep exploring the magical world of stories and Shakespearean adventures. Bye, everyone.